how to view my blogs replies, see who's been upvoted by me, see who's been re-steamed, whatever. This is what you do. First off, what we're going to do is go to one of my blogs that's been blacked out. Don't know why it's doing it, but when you click on it, it comes up like that. You think, oh, it don't work. Well, no, yes, it does work. What you've got to do is click show. There it is. Now it'll say here, images not shown due to low rating. Well, it doesn't matter. Just scroll down to the bottom and it says images were hidden due to low rating. Click show and it shows you everything that you need to see. Now the images are, ta-da, those two images. And basically it's my 1 year on Steemit award from the award board, and there you go. Have a read of my things, have a play of my song, and then pop over to Reverb Nation and take some of my free MP3 downloads, all free, don't cost you nothing, and there you go. And don't forget to use AAA Restream as one of your tags. Now if you don't know what a tag is, I'll let you know in my next video.